In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make bots play each other on chess.com. This is a question I get all the time because many people want to see how different personalities, engine strengths, or grandmaster bots would face off against one another in a direct match. Surprisingly, chess.com does not actually have a native bot versus bot button built into the site interface. If you have ever looked through the custom game settings, or the play menu and couldn't find a way to pit two computer AI against each other, you are not alone. It simply isn't an automated feature they offer right now. However, I have a perfect workaround that will let you simulate this battle easily by acting as the human middleman. This method is incredibly fun if you want to test out which engine is better or just watch some high-level chess play out right before your eyes. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more chess tips and tricks. Let's dive into the process and get these bots competing. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser. Instead of just using one tab, you are actually going to need two separate windows. This makes it much easier to view the boards simultaneously. Go ahead and navigate to the computer play section by typing in chess.com/play/computer in both of those windows. Once you have both pages loaded up, it is time to choose your contestants. In the first window, let's call this window A. Select the first bot you want to watch. This could be a beginner bot like Martin or even a top-tier engine. Crucially, when you are setting up the game in window A, make sure you choose to play as black. This ensures that the bot will be playing with the white pieces and will make the first move. Now, move over to your second window, which we will call window B. Here, you should select your second bot contestant, for example, Elani or any other character you prefer. For this window, you need to set yourself to play as white. By doing this, you have created a situation where you are playing as black against one computer and as white against the other. Now, the actual game begins. Look at the move that the bot in window B makes. Since it is playing against you as white, it will make its opening move immediately. Once you see that move, click and drag that exact same move into window A. Effectively, you are taking the move from one bot and playing it against the other. Now, simply wait for the bot in window A to respond with its counter move. Once it does, you simply repeat that move back in window B. You are acting as a bridge for their logic. As the game progresses, you will continue this back and forth process. You see the move in one window and mirror it in the other. It might sound a bit manual, but once you get into a rhythm, the game flows very quickly and you get to witness a pure engine-to-engine battle. You can see how different bots handle different openings and mid-game complications. This is a fantastic way to learn new strategies or just enjoy the spectacle of a bot-on-bot showdown. If you found this guide helpful for your next chess session, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials and chess content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.